Open it up.
See what's in there. What is it?
What's in there? What's in there?
There's nothing in there. There's just Mario Kart is in there.
Really like it.
What is that?
It's bubbles.
Uh-oh.
Look at it.
No.
It's a bubble.
What are
What else is in there,
those?
Lily?
Look, it's bubbles.
Yum!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's a ton of lemons.
Oh, this smells so good.
Oh my gosh. She's popping all the bubble wrap.
Holy cow.
Lily, there's more
Lily,
stuff.
There's more stuff in here for you. Come here, Lily.
I know.
Lily, there's more stuff in here. You want to look at it.
Awesome. Lemons.
Meyer lemon body butter.
Ooh, that sounds good. Lily, come here.
Come here, Lily. There's more for you up here. Look.
Come here.
Look, Lily. Let's save the bubbles for later. Let's look what else is in here.
There's bubbles. It's bubbles, Mommy. It's bubbles. Little bubbles.
Look, open that.
Oh.
Ooh, that sounds good.
What's in there, Lil?
Parmesan Asiago.
Ooh, yeah, that does sound good.
Hard.
Cards? What is it?
Tattoos.
Oh my gosh.
Butterfly tattoos.
And there's some tattoos.
Oh my gosh. What is that?
Whoa.
Are those for your hair?
Those look like hairbands.
Is it
Yeah,
a
those are
hairband?
hairbands,
Oh,
Lily.
neat, Lil. Whoa.
Wow.
Tattoos.
You better try those on, Lily.
Yeah, let's try the sunglasses on first.
Tattoos. It's tattoos. Tattoos. You never did some tattoos. Did some tattoos. There's more bubbles.
Lily, here, Lily.
No.
Let's try your new sunglasses.
Oh my gosh.
You are a rock star.
Wow. Let's see. Put your hands down a second. Oh, wow. You look pretty snazzy. Are you barking? Do rock stars bark?
That's so
Ooh.
pretty.
Oh my gosh.
It's so pretty.
That looks good.
There's
Olive
some
oil.
tattoos.
California olive oil.
I don't think some tattoos. Look,
I
Mommy,
know.
there's that. Let's open it.
She wants to put a tattoo
Hey,
on.
we're going to go to the store first, Lily. We'll put tattoo on when we get home, okay?
Yeah, I want orange.
Roasted garlic. Cabernet roasted garlic mustard.